I recently purchased a ZWILLING Fresh and Safe vacuum sealer machine. One of the things I was concerned about was how much air could such a little machine really pump out. To my surprise, the answer is quite a lot. I tested it on several things and it seems like it removes every last bit of air. The pump is compact and quiet and very easy to use. Basically, you take off the cap, press it on the seal of the bag or the container, and press the button. It will automatically remove the air and stop when it reaches its preset vacuum level. This is a nice starter set that comes well packaged with one large vacuum food storage container, two small and two medium vacuum sealer bags for food, one rechargeable vacuum sealer machine. The machine itself is small and light and it fits comfortably in the hand. The glass container has a very nice vacuum seal and it really does get rid of the air from inside. The container does not leak any liquids and it doesn't leak any air, so the food has a longer shelf life compared to plastic containers. The glass container is dishwasher and microwave safe without the vacuum seal, which I'm assuming means the lid is not. The bags are BPA-free plastic and are washable and reusable. You don't have to replace them too often. The bags are heat resistant up to 212 Fahrenheit, so you could wash the bags in the dishwasher but only on the top rack, or some warping can happen. The bags are great for food storage improvement, but can also be used for marinating or sous vide. So my final thoughts after using the sealer are, it's a great little machine, and it can definitely help optimize the food storage process and help reduce food waste, as well as improve the taste of leftovers, and the sealing process helps prevent freezer burn, so definitely something to consider.